We are going to solve an arithmetic problem regarding age. So let us look into the question. It says Sarah is now 3 times as old as Peter. 5 years ago she was 5 times as old as he was. How old Peter will be after 5 years? So if we think that currently Sarah is S years old and Peter is P times old, then ultimately we have to find how old Peter will be after 5 years. That is, what will be P plus 5. Now let us look into the other relationship. It says that Sarah is now 3 times as old as Peter. So at present Sarah is 3 times as old as Peter. I usually use the sentence structure in order to find the relationship. So you see that it's pretty straightforward. Sarah is 3 times as Peter. So that's equation number 1. It also says that 5 years ago she was. So 5 years ago Sarah was S minus 5 and Peter was P minus 5. And it says that 5 years ago she was 5 times as old as he was. So we first find what was the age before 5 years and then establish the relationship. So here we have S minus 5 equal to 5P minus 25. Now since ultimately we are trying to find P, so I'm going to replace this S from equation 1 and replace it with P. So now we have, if we replace S by 3P, we have 3P minus 5 equal to 5P minus 25. So let us solve this equation. I'm going to take this 3P on that side, so it's going to be 5 minus 2P, and I'm going to bring 25 on this side, so 25 minus 5. So we have it's 3. So we have 2P equal to 20 or P equals to 10. So ultimately we wanted to know how old Peter will be after 5 years, that is P plus 5. So P plus 5 equal to 10 plus 5 equal to 15. So in this case our equation would be, answer would be 15. So this is a pretty straightforward way where you can develop the equations and remember what you're ultimately trying to find out, and then by solving these equations you can easily find the answer.